Up for sale, 1970 Plymouth Roadrunner. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, it's 70 Roadrunner, finished in its factory correct, this beautiful copper color with black interior. It has a 440 motor now in it, original 383 car, now with the 440, which is a 70 440 motor. It has power steering, and the previous owner of 39 years and 84,000 original miles. I just checked the odometer, I'll check it again. I'm going to walk around it, point out flaws, we'll fire it up, and then we'll drive it. 84,000. Title from whatever 39 years ago is, and it documents 74,000, 75,000. The owner only drove it 9,000 miles in the years that he had it. He had the motor rebuilt, the other stuff to it, of course. So we'll start on the right side and then we will carry on here. I noticed right there just a little mark in the paint and a little scuff. You kind of faintly make it out. The fenders, quarters, doors are all original to the car, which means they all fit up very nicely, of course. You got like a rally wheel on there, and front bumper here, which is in pretty nice condition. I mean, you see a little bit of fogginess on it, but if that's it, that's really not too bad. And the plastic grill area here just shows a little bit of wear on it. From age. It's probably original to the car. Hood fitment, well, as you see there, is very nice, as well as fitment through that to the hood that lines up to this section here with the factory stripe on it. All original glass, excellent condition, there's no cracks on it. So let me pop the hood here, and we will carry on. And I know it is there, and then there. 440, again, like I said, it's a 1970, so F440, and then I see HP. I was told that all the paint in the engine compartment is all original paint. The fender tag is in place, and yeah, the owner said he had it rebuilt. He said there's maybe 5,000 miles on the rebuilt motor, and we drove it, I kid you not, 90 miles back majority highway, 70 miles an hour, didn't skip a beat. Again with the underhood, which is all original paint, and again power steering, which you see there. VIN tag is in place where it should be. Just a couple little miscellaneous marks you see there. Another little guy and one right there. There's no bubbles on the car, and it was garage stored for the last 39 years. Another VIN tag in place. You see a little rip on the armrest. It has a different set of bucket seats in there. Actually, let me grab the key out of the trunk. And seats, however, are in nice condition. I mean, just a little tiny poked hole right there. And the carpet is the bronze color like the rest of the car, as well as the dash, which is all original to the car. The original radio works. All the gauges function properly. The dash has no cracks on it. And the steering wheel. Let me Stick the key in there real quick. Buzzer works. Oh, I didn't put the right key in there. No, there we go. There's the original radio. And then the beep beep. So cool. Into the back seat. Really nice headliner with the visors in place. Little mark on top of the car. And then I think right here, just a couple little cracks in the paint, not bubbling, just a couple little chips. Keep going here. A couple little miscellaneous marks. Underneath the car, actually, from the front to the trunk, it's all original. There's no rust anywhere underneath the car. And actually, the trunk pan was replaced. I asked him why he replaced it. He said, oh, there were a couple of pinholes. I was getting ready for it to sell. I'm going to show you the amazing quality job they did on the trunk. Well, let me show you the section first here. The bumper in the back actually looks like it's probably been replaced at some point, and actually is in very nice condition. And the fitment of the trunk, of course, there's a little chip right there, is very nice. All right. Nice trunk lid, nice weather stripping. All original in the trunk jam. Jack tire irons, matte. And then you see the original quarters in it, of course. With they even, okay, so they copied the spatter paint for the repair, but also they did a hell of a job. This is extremely well done. So we will carry on here. Lay that back down. Little, like something rubbed on it. Will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com, and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video, so if you want to check it out, let us know. 70 Roadrunner, 39-year ownership, finished in factory colors. 440, original 383 car, however, automatic, power steering. So we will fire it up here just in a second. And then we will drive it. So here we go. And thank you. right, here we go. We're going to fire it up.